Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to open FYERS trading account and you can invest your money like regional or international using this one. So let's start how to open FYERS trading account in your laptop screen. You can do same process any smartphone devices. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open Google and type here FYERS. Enter. So first link is display here. Look at this here. 5 years is your growing investing free investment in equity. You can open this account absolutely free. You click on that particular link and follow my instruction here. Website portal of the FYERS gateway to invest money and free access all segments if you win 30 days challenge. Before doing anything, we need to open account here. Simply click on that particular tab, open free Demat account, and you just need to type here your email address and your mobile number. So simply I type here my email address and Indian mobile number. Create. After tapping the create, I receive one OTP on my mobile number. I am receiving one OTP in my mobile number. So I add here accept and verify now. Verify. Thank you for verification. Look at this here. To open account, please upload photocopy of following document. Process now. So now I upload one document here. Simply I upload my PAN card. I upload my PAN card. Here mention our PAN card. I am selecting the PAN card, so that's why. And then continue. So need to upload Aadhaar Card, voter ID, driving license, passport. So simply I select Aadhaar Card. Upload here Aadhaar Card. Wait couple of seconds again. So my address is automatically all detailed informations are come here. Continue. So it's need to add my bank detail here. So I add my bank account IFSC code. Automatically all detail are come here. ICICI and save this document hereby correct. So I upload here my handling last couple of transaction related information using my smartphone devices. I capture this image and then I upload here. It's done almost. To upload your transaction detail 6 months and handling some statements. Continue. What is your exactly in profession? So I just select as professionally. Annual income I select like 1 to 5 lakh. Digital I always need to digital confirmation. Risk factor upload other supporting document, but currently I have no need to upload some documents. So my account is registered here. So look at this live selfie verification. Using this one, I just select this one. I upload of my picture using here. So here is my selfie. So now I upload my signature photocopy here. I already make this picture and now it's done almost. Crop and upload. Now it's done. Process for the e-sign. Now generating the e-sign document. It's need to take time for the e-sign generation, and after finish this process, your FYERS trading account is ready for the purchasing shares and invest your money stock market very easily in your smartphone devices. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.